Guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs. Welcome to my friends on the TV. Okay. It's the Petro Premiership. Kaizer Chiefs 1, Devon City 0. I'm joined by Killer Walikosi. Wando. Go. Yabona? Sithibo unjani?
Ngimnandi.
Sithibo ukuthi umnandi angikwazi mhlambe mangabuza uzibani banyana but anyway angikho lapho. Sithibo, I'm very happy today ngeperformance yabafana. Sithibo mina ngithanda ukuthi ngiconfuse abafana, understand? Khona abantu like mabakhuluma then ba confuse even ama coaches. One day ngifuna uthatha oyi-1 ngimbeke la coach Kaizer Chiefs ngibona ukuthi izokwenza njani. Lalela big mina ngifuna ugosogoso ufuna ufakazisa amanga and mina ngithanda ukuthi umuntu angifakazisa amanga. You understand? Uthi umfundo Vilakazi umuntu ukuthi a change igame. Akusumuntu ukuthi aqale nescheme. Umbono wakhe angimphikisi. You understand? But ama support we Kaizer Chiefs mina ngidida sometimes. Ngikudideka mina ngokwami ngiyi-Kaizer Chiefs support. Uma bo coach bathatha umfundo bambeke ebhenchini baqale ngabanye then babuya ngomfundo ukuthi bathi hayi mncane why bamthweza ipressure ukuthi achinge igame. You understand? Bamqalise negame baphinde bakhononda futhi
Bakhaya
abasitibi sokuvala bayini abasitibi bashila abantu hayi ngamagama uma ungazi nangu uJessica uyangfonela. Hi, Mrs. Jessica. Yes, I will call you. I'm busy now. I'm busy. I'm busy. I'm busy. Yeah. Jessica ujabule kakhulu namuhla. Siwinile 33 point.
Usekakufonela.
Ayangifonela angichecka ukuthi nginjani as uKiller Wekosi yabona. Yeah, thanks Mrs. Jessica ukuthi ungifonele. Baningi abazokhala ukuthi wayifonela uKiller. Hayi bakhona laba abathanda indaba zami yabona.
Kwinda.
Yekela ukwinda nkosama. Hey, lalela ke Sithibo ne ngisakhuluma ne abafana badlalile vandag. Mina I'm happy side nami. You understand? Although like ku second half kube khona ubuslula nyana ininyana but I think ukuthi bazoya ku drawing board bolungisa lawo ma mistake anyana lawo. You understand? But khona ingoma yamakhadzi uyayazi ingoma yamakhadzi athi win is the win no matter what, win is the win. Ngoba ngiyazi lezi ezimnyama nalezi kabuyelo zokhuluma kakhulu. You understand? Angazi angifuna ukufakaza izinto eziningi. Angazi ngale bhola lele shaywe eDebon City abathe offside ukuthi ngempela offside mina ukhumbule bengila eground. You understand? Angazi khathi mhlambe ngizohlala phansi ngibukela imesh mangabe offside mangabe bengasi offside hayi sorry ngibenefitile va ubenefita musiko noma ubani if akusi offside akunankinga ngibenefitile mngani wami nami ngitholile 3 point njengoba ungibona kanje ngiyasinda mfana kithi ngisindwe le 3 point mfethu le 3 point la mfethu mfethu lalela ngifuna ukutshela something if we Kaizer Chiefs mfethu yabona nekawusi la khona mfethu
noma socks we Chiefs no
nekawusi la khona i-Chiefs mfana kithi
angibonise ne-under yakho
uma lalele anda ngike ngafaka isicelo ku Jessica ne uJessica ngeke ngafaka isicelo ukuthi ngicela neanda yelentuzane Kaizer Chiefs yabona but anyway akakayenza yabo but kuzolunga lapho Mpintshami ngicela ulentuzana ngoba mangakuletha la camera bazokubona ukuthi umubi kangakanani. So angifuni ukuthi ubhizi ungimemeza usesayidini ngoba ngizathi bese uthusa abantwana bese yabo. Angifuna alentuzana. But Sibo khona abantu abathi killer analyze ifootball. Yabona Sibo mina mangisuka le endlini ne ngize la ngize ngizosupport abafana ngizocula mangifika e-stadium ngiyadunusa ngibhekele sometimes ukuthi ukore goal ngingabonanga ukuthi ukore bani bese ngiyabuza ngithi hey ubani ukorile ekubeni ngila e-stadium umsebenzi wami as a support ukuzonikeza abafana umdlandla. Uyangiunderstand ngiqule uyangiunderstand angizelanga la ukuthi ngizobhala ama notes ukuthi usibani ukhahlele bani wanikeza bani usibani usukile kuposition yakhe waya udlala iposition yabani angizelanga lokho mina uyangiunderstand uma loyo onenkinga ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ukhila analyze hayi makateke mova baba akhwela e-stadium ayohlala le ku VIP or ahlale kuphi azo analyze ibhola
ngiyakubanga
analyze ibhola analyze ibhola if awuna TV maybe ubhatala le DS eshodayo le yabo 100 and something zama ku improve upgrade ubhatale leyo uzodlala khona bo 202 and 204 and what 209 uzokhona ubukela bese uyazi analyzela wena because ufuna ukuthi ku-analyze uyangiunderstand mina ngikhula ngizo analyze into engikhona yabona manje njengoba i-Kaizer Chiefs winning idlayevani yazi ngithini
uthini
Yay! I-Kaizer Chiefs idlaye man! Yesibo, lalela i-Kaizer Chiefs idlaye bani? And anyway kune game kusasa ne? Kudlala nasi isiphukuphuku lesi. Siphe esinye. Asikho sePirates la. Ibhakaniya
abakhila
okay kudlala iSundowns ne nebhakaniya uyangiunderstand ngebhadi Sibo ngizaba ngilele la egagasini
awuyile
ayi ngizaba ngiswima angeke ubukela umswahla mina
imiswahla
imiswahla phela ukhumbule ukuthi kulama team la wayi2 azobadlala ne angisupport next ngizoba ngisupport uTshani ngoba zabagijima phezulu kwawo but isifiso sami abadlala u1-1 or u0-0 kungekho nje ukuwinayo yabo kungekho nje ukuwinayo kulabo abawu2 so if bangenza njalo kungaba mnandi and Mpintshami ngifuna ukutshela ukuthi njengoba sekuzophela manje ukwinika abafethu uyi-best defender ne so but angeke ngize ngiblame abo coach ukuthi why bangamfakanga or kanjani ngoba makayo gym ukwinika ngisuka ngekho mina ukhila ukhumbule mina ngisupport ama game aya ama training uyangiunderstand ngisupport ama game not ama training uyangiunderstand so izinto ezinjalo azikho ezinye engazisho ukuthi izikhiphani Sibo ngiyabonga ukuthi unginikeze 10 hours yonke ukuthi ngilentuzana ngoba abantu abanamakhanda amakhulu sebabhizi bayakhuluma la esayidini but anyway babhiyile but
thank you killer